I'll pray that this person doesn't get any college this year. I'll just pray to God. I'll just pray that you repeat this year again. कोरोना के साथ तुम मजे करो, अगले साल कॉलेज आना. Question number 20, answer is ounce, because if you say this inch, feet and yard, all these are length. This ounce is weight. That's why this is the correct answer. Which unit doesn't belong to the same category? Odd one out. Ounce is weight, others are length. And question number 21, answer is option C. Question number, first we'll do 22. We did yesterday, right? We were doing pitched and slope. This is actually flat, not fat. Flat, dome, vault. We did yesterday. Suitable for rainfall is pitched and slope. Yesterday we discussed this. See, focus on this. This is east, south. So sun rises in the east. You all know. Sun rises in the east. After that, how does it travel? From south, it goes towards west. Sun rises in the east, then it goes towards south, then finally west. So this is the procedure. So now sun is going towards south. See this, east, it's going towards south, then finally it will go to west. So what can be the time? Can we say that exactly at 12 o'clock sun will be in south? Let's divide it. Let's say sun rises in the east at 6 a.m. in the morning and it sets 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so this time at south it will be at 12 p.m. and let's say this point, half of this is 3 p.m. So obviously half of this will be 9 p.m. 9 a.m. So time is 9 a.m. 6 a.m. east, 12 p.m. south, 6 p.m. west. So half में divide कर दो. So 9 a.m. is the answer. Give them permission to unmute, though there is no interaction. Question number 24. Question related to water image. What you have to keep in mind, in water image, there is concept of top and bottom. In mirror image, there is concept of left and right. Left and right. Keep this in mind. In water image, top will become bottom, bottom will become top. In mirror image, left will become right, right will become left. This is the only difference. Gaurav sir, please give them permission. Question number 24. What is the answer? Since this is question related to water image, so top will become bottom, bottom will become top. Nuclear. N, इसमें क्या top bottom होगा? This top part will come down, so it will become like this. Yes. U, it will be like this. U, C. There won't be any change in C. Top, bottom same hai. L, L will be like this. E, no change in E. A, A will become like this, and R. So which option is correct? N, U, C, option 4. Question number 24. Correct answer is option 4. This option. Now you got permission to unmute yourself, so don't make a noise and don't tell the answer. Please keep this in mind. If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, keep yourself mute. Question number 25. Can C be the answer? C? No. Why? C cannot be the answer. Focus on this part. Complete straight line, 90 degree. But if you see here, it's not 90 degree. So C cannot be the answer. 2 cannot be the answer. Option 2 again. So answer is either option 1 or option this 4. Which is the correct answer? Option A. Option A is the correct answer.
Sir, how could you explain?
Yes. See, this part is embedded here. This,
Sir, zoom screen, please.
wait. Can you see this part? Is it similar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is not in option 4. In option 4, that facility is not available. See, first part is same only, this part. But when you go here, this line, see, position is wrong. That's the answer is.
Okay, sir.
Question number 26.
Sir?
Question related to mirror image. Yes.
Sir, sorry, there was a network issue. I have doubt in 23rd.
23rd. What is the doubt?
That in the option,
Yeah.
sorry, not 23rd. There is a mistake.
Then 19th.
Yeah, I got it. Sorry, there was a mistake.
Solve question number 26. That's big screen, right? Make it 200%. Quickly. I told you concept of mirror images. What is the concept? Left will become right, right will become left. So there won't be any difference in M and A. M and A will be same. L में क्या होगा? L will be like this. Which option is like this? Don't waste time.
Second.
Solve option. Yeah, so option 2. Don't solve the full question because you don't have that much time. Save time. Solve using options. Yes. Any doubt in this? Just remember,
No,
this is applicable everywhere. Mirror image, left, right. Water image, top and bottom. Only thing. In question number 27, you have to tell what I have to, yes, what is part A and B. Yeah, it's visible.
Sir, what is the question?
You have to tell what is part A, this, what does A represent and what does B represent.
सर व्हाट इज लिंटल?
लिंटल हमने बताया हुआ है ना. See, just imagine this is not wall, this is window. For a moment, just imagine. Okay, this is a window, not a wall, right? So window is starting here, ending here. So this is called sill level. Sill, S-I-L-L, right? This is called sill level, and where window
Yes.
ends, there lintel starts. Lintel. Wherever window ends, lintel starts, and from here till that roof, below roof, that level is called lintel level. This part is called sill level. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
this is that we don't call it beam, but if this is ground floor, then this is called plinth beam, we can say. That is not the official term, but we can say plinth beam. This is not used, I am telling you, but we call it plinth beam. This is not the official one.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
so correct answer for this is, this A is beam, B is column. So option A is the correct answer. This is beam, which is continuous. This is column. Again, this is again column. This part is column. Yeah.
Sir, if we assume C as window, then A is lintel and B is sill, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. A is lintel, B is again column. But in this
Not sill?
case, sorry, B. No. B cannot be sill. This level is called sill. B is pillar again. Whether it is window, exactly that is not possible. Window के just बगल में pillar होता नहीं है. that is technically not possible. There will be some gap, but this vertical thing will be column only.
Sir, there is any term for where the column and beam is joining?
You are not audible. Can you please repeat again? Let's solve next question.
Sir, once again, sir, 27.
27th, yeah. क्या डाउट है इसमें? Tell.
There is any term for where the column and beam is joining?
B joining and what is column?
Where
I think
A and B is joining, sir.
Achha, where A and B is joining, this part. You are talking about this part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is
Any
that
term for
called?
that?
We call it beam joint or column joint. Beam joint or column joint. Because remember, beam from this side will also come. Okay? If beam is like this, it is possible that beam will go like this also from this side. Are you understanding? So beam joint we
Yes,
call
sir.
it.
Sir, if lintel A is lintel, B is column, then answer is D.
Acha, column lintel is not continuous. You have to keep in mind. Lintel का size बहुत बड़ा नहीं होता. Beam is continuous. Lintel is not continuous. ये समझना पड़ेगा. If this is window only, then this is lintel. Otherwise, this is not lintel. And lintel खिड़की जितना दूर होता है उतने दूर ही हम डालते हैं ना छज्जा. Lintel is not continuous. Where is lintel put? Above window, above door. That part is called lintel. That is not continuous. If you want, you can keep it, but normally it is not. Yes? But beam is continuous. बहुत लंबा beam हो सकता है. Lintel is not continuous. Distance is very short. Okay. This is the question. Options
Sir,
are 4, 5.
Sir, I have a doubt in the previous question.
Yeah, what is the doubt?
So, if just above the window a beam crosses, for suppose A is a beam actually, so
beam,
then
beam will cross roof se hoke. Just above the window, beam is not possible. There will be some space. Just above the window will be lintel. Then there will be some space. Then there will be beam. And remember, beam ऊपर होता है ना थोड़ा. Just imagine your house. Window, again lintel, then some space. Let's say 2 feet, 3 feet only. Then there will be beam.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Lintel level और beam के level में भी difference है. Beam roof से connect होता है ना. Yeah. Options are 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Options for this question 28, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to tell uneducated, unemployed youths in village. See, in educated are 3, 7, 5 and 6. it means this 1, 4 and 2 are uneducated. So answer will be either 1 or 4 or 2. What are the options? 4, 5, 6, 7. So obviously 4 is the answer. Also, see, youth in village. So youth of village is 4 only, either 1 or 4. But in options given 4, 5, 6 or 7, again 4 is the answer. So this person is uneducated, again unemployed also, and youth of village. So answer is 4. Venn diagram we call it. Question number 29.
Sir, can you please explain the previous question again?
Which part you didn't understand? See, it
I
says
did
you have
not.
to find uneducated, unemployed youths in village. Unemployed में आपको क्या क्या दिख रहा है? You tell me. 2, 4, 5 and 6 unemployed. Out of these, 5 and 6 is educated. Yes, this circle. See, means 5 and 6 not possible. So answer will be either 2 or 4, right? But 2 is not coming under youth of village. You have to include youth also. You have to include uneducated also. See, this 4 is uneducated. This 4 is youth also. And this 4 is unemployed also. That's why 4 is the answer. 2 cannot be the answer because 2 is not the youth of village. Yeah, any doubt?
No, sir, thank you.
30, quickly. We have just 7 minutes and we have to complete 6 questions. Be fast. "60 children." So in a school there are 60 children, 40 girls, 20 boys. It's given in the question. Okay. 6 boys are happy. So 20 boys may 6 boys are happy. It says 4 sad girls. And how many total sad people? 10 sad people. उसमें से 4 लड़कियां means 6 boys are sad. 6 boys are happy. 6 boys are sad. So what is left? 8 boys. So those 8 boys are neither happy nor sad. So answer is option B. Easy question 30, 31. बहुत ही आसान है. Quickly you tell me. I'll give you 20
Sir,
seconds.
explain 21, 20.
20
Sir, explain
कहाँ से?
29. 29.
Okay. 29 में there are total 60, so 40 girls and 20 boys. It's given 6 boys are happy. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
10 people are sad. Out of those 10, it's given 4 sad girls. Can you see here 4 sad girls? 10 sad people, 4 sad girls. It means 6 sad boys. 6 boys are happy, 6 boys are sad. Total 12, and there are total 20 boys. It means 8 boys are neither happy nor sad. "30 and 31. 30 answer is seismograph. No explanation. You have to remember this. Okay. Barometer, so what do you measure? Pressure, atmospheric pressure. Right? Atmospheric pressure you measure with barometer. 31 answer is red sandstone. अच्छा, रेड स्टोन से क्या बना हुआ है? फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट इन इंडिया. एनीवन? व्हाट इज मेड अप ऑफ रेड फोर्ट? नहीं, रेड फोर्ट तो बना हुआ है रेड सैंडस्टोन से. आई एम सेइंग रेड स्टोन, इंडिया गेट.
India Gate.
White
India Gate,
sandstone.
boss.
Okay. In question number 32, you have to tell where are these monuments from. Can you see? Hampi, Mahabaleshwar, Hampi. Okay, so they are from Hampi, Karnataka. Hampi is a place in Karnataka. These are from Hampi. Very old, 12th, 13th century. Again, one question is related to yesterday we were doing Venn diagram type. But this is called syllogism, not Venn diagram. If you see this question, teachers, in charge, and college, 3 objects are there. It's given teachers and in charge work in college. So there is one college, inside that teachers and that in charge are working. So there can be many kind of relation. This is not the exact. Correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. This is college. Some in charges are teachers and some in charges look after. Some in charges are teachers and some in charge only look after work. So let's say one is teacher, another one is in charge. In charge पढ़ा भी लेता है, लिखता भी है. Who is this person? That's why you are muted. Do you remember? Any doubt in this question?
Sir, is A and C different or same? A and C
A and
options.
C, different. See, in A, this is, if this is director or this is something else, इसके अंदर आ रहा है. If this, let's say this person is teacher, this under this middle one is staff, and this is what we saw. Say teacher, staff, क्या बोल दूं इसको मैं? Chairman. Okay, opposite. Chairman last वाले को बना दो. If this is staff, this is teacher, and this last one is chairman. It means chairman के अंदर सब आता है, teacher के अंदर staff भी आता है. So it cannot be same. यहाँ पे है, इस स्टाफ के अंदर चेयरमैन नहीं आ सकता. बट इफ यू सी दिस पिक्चर, सम पार्ट इज देयर, राइट? देयर इज नो रिलेशन बिटवीन. चेयरमैन के अंदर सब आएगा, स्टाफ के अंदर कुछ नहीं आ रहा. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा है, थोड़ा सा हो रहा है ना. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट सेम. The color of natural cement is, we have just 1 minute left and we are not rejoining. So quickly I'll tell the answer. Color of natural cement is brown. And last question का answer क्या होगा? Quickly. Gypsum.
Gypsum.
Yes, so gypsum. Okay, we are not joining back. ठीक है. So thank you very much.
Sir, please share this PDF in the group.
Okay, I'll send.
Yes, thank you.
The drawing
It's
part.
better if you can share yesterday's whole question paper.
Okay.
We are having test tomorrow.
Drawing part.
A drawing, I am not responsible. I'll tell you only logical and Vijender sir will teach you.
Have everyone rejoined?
No, not required.